JAWS Professional. Drag and drop /word. Print view. Edit.
Welcome to another lesson by yourtechvision.com, and today I'm going to show you how to drag and drop items. We're going to work in the taskbar because my students like their icons in a particular position, and if you do not know this yet, you can actually they actually are all hotkeys. So if you're visual, you'll see Chrome is in my second slot. So if I Windows 2, Chrome immediately opens. Firefox is in my third slot. So if I Windows 3, Firefox immediately opens, and so forth. So let's go ahead and we're going to select Chrome, and we're just going to move it a few slots, and then we're going to drop it, just as if I left-clicked on an icon and moved it. So if I
Running
do
applications
this,
taskbar to move through items, press left or right arrow.
you can
Taskbar Google Chrome button to move.
so if I left-click on an icon, I can actually drag it back and forth. We're going to actually do that with keyboard commands now. I am in laptop mode. Because if I connect in tandem, my computer actually will overtake the students. So if I'm in desktop, it will mess up their commands. So I use laptop mode all the time. So let's go ahead and go down to our taskbar with Windows T.
Windows T. Word 2016-1 running window button menu.
Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and right arrow to Chrome.
Google Chrome button.
Okay, now I need to put my JAWS cursor on that. So what you want to do is Alt-Delete and listen to the cursor that you're using.
PC cursor 11-3.
Okay, I'm using my PC cursor. That will not do. It has to be your JAWS cursor, so I'm going to do caps lock P.
JAWS cursor.
Okay, now my JAWS cursor is on it. Now I'm going to do the command to lock that in, and it's caps lock Shift 8.
To drag and drop, place the JAWS PC or touch cursor in the drop location and press Shift plus JAWS key plus 8.
Okay. So now I'm going to Windows T and just move along my taskbar.
Windows T. Mozilla Firefox button.
Okay, let's do it again. Windows T.
Windows T. Microsoft Edge button.
Okay, so let's just say we want it positioned there in that slot instead of Windows 2. So now I'm going to do caps lock Shift 8 again, and if you're visual, then you're going to be able to watch that actually move. So let's go ahead and do that. Caps lock Shift 8.
Google Chrome button. Dragging Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge. Google Chrome button.
Okay, now it says I dragged it to Edge, but visually you actually saw Edge move to the left and Chrome move to the right. So now when I do Windows 4, Chrome is going to open. So let's do Windows 4. But first, let's check our cursor. Alt-Delete.
JAWS cursor active. 567. 1330.
I can already tell you that's not going to work. You need to get to your PC cursor, so caps lock semicolon.
PC cursor.
Now let's go ahead and do Windows 4.
Windows 4. Untitled alert. Page action. Alt plus Shift plus A. Google Chrome isn't your default browser. Set as default.
And it works perfectly. So that is how you drag and drop. And yes, you can do that with keyboard commands. I hope that helped.